Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the video section next to the presentation button and go to the YouTube video option. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files to your video, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images or videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and more. In the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to edit the style of the template, just go to the template style button in the design section and click that. Now you can edit this template. Go to the edit video button next to the square icon, and in the effects section you can add filters to your video, and in the adjust section you can edit the white balance, brightness, light, color and the texture of the video. You can edit this video if you go to the crop or the flip button next to the playback option. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.